In this video, we'll be looking at the balloon pop tool found in the lesson activity toolkits. Let's have a look at an example of how it works. And the idea is the students come up to the board and they pop it by pressing on the balloon, and it reveals something behind it. And the idea with this activity specifically was the students needed to pop the words that were verbs, and there is feedback by having an answer behind it. Let's have a look at the tool itself. Where do I find the tool? If I click on the lesson activity toolkit, go down to tools and click on the first one, you will find the balloon pop. You can either drag it in or you can double click, and every time you put in a new balloon, it'll put in a different colored balloon. On the balloon itself, it has two handles, a resize handle, so you click and drag and you can resize the balloon. It then has the double arrow, which allows me to edit the text. You need to go and select all of the text and then type in a question or a word or a phrase. You then click on the double arrows again and your balloon is ready to pop. You can move it around to any place you want and then just click on it again and it will appear. Now, how would we use this and how would we build it? The idea with the balloon pop is once it pops, it reveals information behind, and that information can be a picture, text, writing, any object small enough to fit behind your balloon. The trick here is to remember that we actually need the balloon to be in front of whatever object it is. We right click on the balloon, click on order and click bring to front. Then when we pop the balloon, it will reveal what's behind it. Again, drag over what we're trying to cover, you can click on it again and it'll reappear as the balloon, and then the students will click on it. A great fun tool for the students to come and use, obviously with the sound effects to reinforce it. You can add as many balloons as you want onto your page and you can cover whatever object you have behind it, so long as it's small enough to be revealed. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.